Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is blue color, red color, parrot color, purple color, sky blue color, orange color, yellow color, and the last one is green color. Now let's color the aeroplane. What sound does an aeroplane make? An aeroplane goes. How many airplanes can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 airplanes, as you can see here.